So you guys, why am I holding empty barrel? But let me tell you something, right? When we bought the house, they told us if you want to include the blinds, it's gonna cost about $1,000 adding to the cost of the total of the house. And I was like, okay. So the guy was trying to sell it to me. He was like, well, I need to add the blinds. It's cheaper before we move in. When they how you call it, install everything, it's gonna be like about $1,000 or 900 something. But when we move in and trying to do it, it's gonna be more. And he was trying to say like the blinds is nice, it's fancy, and blah blah blah. And I'm like, sounds good, but Charlie, more $1,000 or like 900 or whatever. No, so I said no. So we denied that and say, okay, we're gonna do it ourselves. So when we move in here, we start doing the research, trying to see the best blinds that we get. There's like 1 inch and there's 2 inch. I measure it. It was super easy, y'all. Like it was super easy. And if I tell you how much we spent for the whole thing, like up all the way from upstairs to downstairs, you're gonna be shocked. We only spent about like $371 for the whole thing. And installing it is not that hard at all. It's like, and I will show you how my husband is doing it step by step. It's not that hard at all. As long as you measure the length and the wide and the length, I think. As long as you measure and you know what you want, you can just go to the store and pick it up. Ours is super easy because it's already it's not custom made. You don't have to, we didn't cut anything. But if yours doesn't, they don't have it on the, if they don't have it on the board, you can easily just let them know and they will cut it according to the size that you want for you. On the size that you want it, the size that you need it, I would say. But yeah, super easy, no hard at all. It's nice. And one is this one is 2 inch and ours is 35 by 64. You can get 35 by 72 if you want, but the 72 one is like a little bit more. I don't see the need of doing that because the 64 is even like, it's not, there's still like a little bit of space after you drop it down all the way down. There's still like a little bit more space. So I really don't see the need of buying the 72, but that's an optional too if you really want that. Up to you. But yeah, it's super easy, and I'll show you step by step how my husband is doing it. So we save about what, almost like $600. No. So we spent about like we save about $600 just doing it ourselves. So yeah, if you're building a home and do your research, and the one that they say like the one that we say, it was the only difference is it doesn't have this thing. Let me show you. It doesn't have this thing on there. So that one is a little bit fancier. I guess that's why we will be paying almost $600 extra, but it doesn't have this thing. It goes up on its own, like, it goes up like that. You can just pull it up on its own. Trying to really demonstrate it better for you by, let me see this. So it goes up easily. You just pull it up and then it goes up, and push it down when you need it to go down. And it doesn't have this, so the only way you want to turn it around is you can just easily just pull this one in like that, and then it works. Like, that's the only difference. Like, you just turn this, do it this way or that way, so you don't have to, it doesn't have anything like this. And this one doesn't have the strength, the old-fashioned way, which I like, but that's the only difference. So I don't mind this twisting this. Actually, I really don't mind it because I don't know if you can see him, my busybody over there helping the dad. See, he is very handy. His hands are all over the place, like he touches everything. So if that was the case, he gonna be touching these anyway. So I'm not even worried about it. But the reason why I say I didn't like the automatic thing that the builder wanted to sell to us was because of him. He can be easily accessing that, and I don't want that. But yeah, but this is super easy to install. I will show you guys how my husband is doing it.
First of all, let me introduce myself.
Oh God, Lord.
My name is Reginald.
Okay.
My wife said I'm not a handyman, so put that on.
Oh, this thing is paining you. Like,
Yes,
whoa.
I'm installing the blinds.
I cannot believe this. Okay. Okay, so those are the screws that it comes with. And we bought this at Lowe's.
Okay.
Okay. Handyman is putting the screw in his pocket.
Yeah, it's no best practice, but hey. This particular window is a double window. Unlike the other windows, which are single, I just put 135-inch on the single window. But this double, so you gotta do some
Adjustment.
Some adjustments.
So, but this one too is 35. They didn't
Yes.
like costume cut it off for us.
Yeah, 35.
Okay, so first you just mark your.
First you drill your holes.
Okay.
You know. After that, you measure from here to this side. Make sure there's a little bit gap between the two windows. Right. And after you drill and you put in your screws and you're good to go. You know.
So how
This
you
is not
put
this
it?
not it's not rocket science. You know. This make sure.
I'm trying to show how.
Sure you patience is one of the
Zaya, stop.
key things to get this thing done, you know. Without patience, you can never get this thing done. So you just have to be
Okay.
patient enough, you know.
Be patient, okay.
Yeah. So I'll put in the last screw and I'll bring the blinds for you to see.
Okay, and then that's pretty much it.
So we
and
go
you
to-
already did the other side.
Yeah, I didn't do it on the side.
So,
Excuse me.
so he did this one, y'all, and this one too. Already, so that's pretty much it. It comes with 3 of those stuff. The hooks, if you want, you can put it in the middle to put it, but I don't think it's necessarily. So we didn't even
After that,
don't
you
need
just,
that. Okay, take
take
it
it.
and clip it in.
You clip it this side. This side you see goes underneath, on top of this,
Okay,
and
the
this
bottom.
side goes on top of this.
Okay,
Yeah. So I'm gonna do a demo for you to see.
okay.
So do this. This. Okay, so we have some issue right here.
Uh-oh.
So I have to move it a little bit closer.
What issue?
So this, I have to move it a little bit. So here, that's my foreman.
Your what?
Isaiah.
Your foreman?
My foreman. Like,
Your handyman?
my handyman. Yeah.
Okay.
So he's supposed to be helping me. but
Okay. I
think
see. He's trying to help you.
He's gonna be the boss. So,
Okay. Oh.
so now what I'm gonna do is, Isaiah, can you please get out, please, so that Daddy can pop on the stool?
That's pretty much okay.
Yeah. So let's make sure it's tight enough.
Okay.
Let's start with stir.
Okay.
So,
So we just press it down.
apprentice here.
Okay.
Right. You're supposed to be helping, but
He's trying to. I mean, just press it down.
yep. That's how it looks like. Perfect.
Beautiful, beautiful. Oh, babe. You had, you had to turn it. That's why it was hard.
This shouldn't be hard to fix. It should be simple. You know, you're supposed to be keeping an eye on all these things.
Okay. Well, you know, I'm the video person here, so I'm not.
Yes.
That's why I was giving you a little headache time.
Yeah, you hear the snap? Please. Miss, you're doing a good job.
Okay, so we hit the snap for
You hear the
both
snap
from both
on
sides.
both sides. You can drop it down a little bit.
There we go. And that's it.
So blinds means you are blind. You can't see anything.
Yeah, so people will know, see through your house.
Okay. So we install
Beautiful.
this. Beautiful blinds.
I know.
And that's good to go.
So that's pretty much it, guys. Like, it is done, looking nice. I like it. I love it. Yeah,
Dad, give me
I love it. I almost bought the other color, the brown color, because and I'm like, I'm not sure, but yeah, I'm so glad we have blinds now. So yeah.